We have a Mini Cooper S for rear and front dash camera, as well as CarPlay. So obviously if we come around here, we have fitted the G-ON2 Pro's 2K resolution. So as you can see, the front camera is here. Rear camera is just in the rear glass, just up there. And for CarPlay, as you can see, we are already connected on the original screen. Obviously, if we go to our normal homepage, we have split screen on the very far left. We have phone calls, music and maps. We have the ability for Spotify and Waze. So if we go to Waze here, Waze will load up. We have Spotify available as well. Obviously we have the sound coming through on the original system. And to scroll, using the original scroller down below.